Morning, everyone. I wanted to just make a quick video to show you how you can see your feedback on your grades that I've left, the little notes that I've left on your PDFs. So if you go over into your grades area and scroll down, I'm going to use the week 1 assignment as an example. What you need to do is it'll show your grade. You can see the rubric. So you can see where you may have lost some points. And then if you click on View Feedback, this will show you that PDF where I have annotated the notes for you. So this will be a little bit helpful so you can preview and you can see where each of the boxes, there's a little dotted line that shows where the note goes to and the different feedback. So hopefully this is helpful.